Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and you are watching Savage Coder. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will be get notified first when we upload our new video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The problem statement is given an array and number k where k is the smaller than the size of array. The task is to find the kth smallest element in the given array. It is given that all array elements are distinct. Input n is equals to 6, array we have entered 6 element, k is equals to 3 means we have to find third smallest element. As we can see, third smallest element is 7, so the 7 is the third smallest element. Let's move to the algorithm. What can be the approach for solving this problem? Algorithm, as well as we discussed time complexity. First of all, we have to take input. For taking input in array, we have to make a for loop, and as we know, complexity of for loop is O of n. After taking input, what we can do is sort the array in ascending order. We will use any sorting algorithm and we will sort the array. After sorting array will be sorted. We will print the value of k minus 1 index because the indexing in arrays start from 0. The overall time complexity of this problem will be O of n log n because in sorting there take n log n time. Let's try run the code with the help of algorithm. Let's say input array 7, 10, 4, 3, 20, 15. Same example. And k is equals to 3. We have to find third smallest element. As we write in the algorithm, we have to sort the array. After sorting array will be 3, 4, 7, 10, 15, 20. As we can see, we have to print k minus 1 element, means second position element. So array of indexing start with 0. At 0 position it is 3. At 1 position it is 4. And at 2 position it is 7. So the 7 will be printed. Hope you got the idea of algorithm. Let's move to our ID and write a code for this. So guys, this is the ID. First line has include angular bracket bits slash std c++.h. This is the STL header file of the C++. The next line using namespace std. This is also a part of template of C++. Then int main. After that int I, k, n, comma a of 100. This is the initialization part of the variable. After that cout, enter number of element. Guys, cout is same as printf in C. It will also display the same message, enter the number of element on the output screen. Then scene is also same as the scanf in C. It will take input from user. After that cout, now enter the value in array. With the help of for loop, we take input in array. After that, as we can see, a message displays cout, enter the value of k, for which index we want to get the smallest value. After that, scene k means taking value from user. After that, as per algorithm, I will return sort the array. This is the advantage of guys C++. Like for sorting, I can write simply sort a comma a plus n. A is the name of array. Similarly in Java, if you choose Java for sorting the array, in Java it is array.sort. And similarly in Python, list.sort. After sorting, what we have to do? Print the value at k minus 1 because our array is of 0 based indexing. Let's run our program. Now enter the number of element. Let's say we enter 6. Now enter the value in array. Let's say 1, 6, 3, 2, 5, 4. Now enter the value of k. Let's say we want to print at index 4. The value at 4 is 4. We can see guys, fourth smallest element is 4. So our program is correct. Hope you got this.